Hey, liberals, what the fuck? I thought we were supposed to have global warming. It was like 70 last month. What the hell do you call this? Gotta fucking run my diesels. Brothers of Diesel, hear me. We need to unite in cold ass times like this. And we gotta let that smoke out. Let that smoke out into the air to clear all the clouds. But not too many of them, because I'm a tow truck driver and I kind of depend on people driving stupid in the winter. So, let's hear it, boys. I want to hear your biggest chunk of running equipment. Fire up. For me, the largest engine I got sitting around. Oh, I left the door open on. Just let the mice in. Is my big, bad 9-liter. They're slow, they're loud, and it beat my jack stand, but you know what? It's fucking mint. Now this thing hasn't been running for a couple weeks. I only fired it up for a few minutes. It's got no coolant in it. It's got oil, I think. It's cold as shit now. Oh, it stinks of mouse piss in here. I guess we'll figure out if the battery's dead. Loyalty. And you don't gotta worry about that. We don't need brake pressure. Like I said, boys, smoke it up. Smoke them if you got them. Now, it has come to my attention that there are many a young men and women who do not know how to properly start carbureted vehicles in the cold. Well, that's cool looking. This is my wife's 390 65 T-Bird. She's a beaut. A fucking beaut. It needs tires. I don't worry about tires. The whole fucking shop's hazy as shit from the start. Woo! It's a good day when you start off stinking like diesel. But it's actually got a rebuilt nice 390 in it. With the cheapest Walmart battery I could shove in there. I don't know if that battery's got any juice. I know it's almost completely out of fuel. But, fuck yeah, we got keys. Technically, there's no skinny pedal. It's so skinny it doesn't exist. But she'll go. Maybe she won't. All right. That's good enough. I feel like I start the same vehicles, but they're the only ones that ever have good batteries. All right, so back to what I was saying. Starting these things up cold is not a challenge. This thing hasn't been running the air gauge, it's just fucked, it doesn't go below 30. It'll probably help if you got a manual choke. Helps if you actually pull it. Since it's got an electric fuel pump, give it like 3 pumps. Now, in all fairness, this one's got a fucked up accelerator pump. She'll spray, but it shoots up instead of down. So we gotta fire it up and then give it the tap-a-tap to really get her going. And they like it. They like it when you fucking go right to $2,000. Oil pressure, we don't need oil pressure. Amps, all of them. Temp, don't need it. Fuel, doesn't matter. but she'll purr like a kitten now. So, I'm starting up. Let's see, how much fuel do we spray everywhere? Oh, all of it. Starting up cold equipment's easy. Let's see. Scare the dog away? A little bit, a little bit. Fire up the tow truck, but that's already running. We fire up the IDI and let the Freedom out. May freedom forever reign. Okay, I'm cheating. This one was already warmed up. I was driving it. I was up all night tuning this. It pulls way fucking better than that dirty Power Smoke. Now, this one's for my ladies. This one's for the boys. This one's for the children. And this one, because it's my toy. Fuck it, we'll rev the tow truck up. It's a piece of shit anyway. It's warm. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Fucking beautiful, man. Fucking beautiful. Don't worry about the oil that leaks. That's dust control. If you knew how dry it was out here for the last few months, I really am doing this place a favor. So, let's see what else we got in the neighborhood of cold starts that I could get fired up for you this morning. The weather's kind of shitty, so I can't do a longer one today. This is usually when I get called out to work, but I'll fire up the old F-250, the dump truck. It's not quite yet a dump truck, but it will be. Who was doing burnouts there? Okay. Keys on. Is it in gear? I really don't want to get run over. Nope. Other than the Power Stroke, hold on. This is probably my least favorite truck. I don't love it, but it's loyal. Oh, you don't see too many gas or... Ha! You guys see that fucker just run out of the tailpipe? I don't know where he went. Eviction notice, bitch. Oh. Whew, my fingers are cold. Although, that probably is my favorite part of this truck. Well, from my family to yours, merry global warming, because, you know, it's January and it's just so hot. Man, some asshole. Oh, shit. Oh, and I was having a go with it last night. I was doing some burnouts. That's good 2 inches deep. Who says IDI is a gutless old horse? Oh, and that turbo kit is so worn out. Well, I got something coming up for you guys. Depending on how the weather is, I'll be taking a road trip to go pick up another 13-letter shit spreader. Actually, from the guy who gave me that mint dump dog. So, whew, nippy. Let me know, is there a piece of equipment out here you want me to fire up? Want the fire truck? Probably make that dump truck run one last time. The T-Bird that's back there is dead. It's dead. You could do the F-350. We could do that other 68 Merc, the brown one. Or it might be a 67. I don't know what fucking year that is. We could do the old F-100. Let me know what you guys want me to fire up next. I could do my wife's T-Bird and my T-Bird, but that's going to be a longer one. But yeah, let me know what you guys want. I got trucks and absolutely no fucking money, so what else am I supposed to do? All right, boys. I hope you and your Ord have a good one. Bye.